Hey, this is the shack the dentist built. I want to welcome you to another episode. And today we're going to show you how to put on trim around a door or a window. They all have the same kind of concept that you want to do. So what you want to do is you're going to want to put a 45-degree angle here at the corner. And in this case, it's a door. And we're going to run our trim halfway through this board here. Now this board is 3/4 of an inch wide typically. So that means it's just easiest to run it about 3/8 of an inch. You take your pencil and you take a mark and you mark it 3/8 of an inch in a couple spots. Across the top, across the sides, across the bottom if you're doing a window, so that you can get the same exact reveal all the way around. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your tape measure. In this case, the trim is already on. So it's really easy to measure this. We're just going to measure, and it runs 49 inches. 49 inches from the short corner to the short corner. And so that's where we're going to cut it. And so an easy way to measure this without the trim on is to take, if this was our trim board here, would be to set it inside that trim board. Actually, it'd be right about there. Push it in. And then what we're going to do is we'll measure it from the outside of the trim board to the inside of the trim board. And believe it or not, that's going to get us the same 49 inches. And so that 49 inches is what we would cut short point to short point, 45-degree angle, 45-degree angle. We're going to cut the top piece first and then the side pieces after we put the top piece up. All right, so we're getting ready to do the trim, and I've got it sitting here on the saw. I'm going to start by cutting at a 45-degree angle. All right, so I'm getting ready to put the trim up. What I've done is I put a center mark right here, and I put a center mark on my trim board so that I can match the center board up, and then I'm marking where I want the trim to hit, 3/8 of an inch up. And if you're wondering what the crazy sound is, it's my wife watching a spooky movie in the other room. All right, here we go. Trim ahoy! There's my center mark. Match it up with that mark. And here we go. All right, now we'll just check both sides, make sure that I got it right. Pretty nice. And we'll staple the rest of it up. First piece is up. All right, now we're putting the sides. Got it cut. Took a little teeny tiny nip out of this side here, so that it would fit down all the way to the floor. And we're ready to go. Push it all the way to my marks. Nice. So here's what it looks like. We got the trim up, we got the slider in, we got it caulked. We've even got a beautiful oak threshold that we manufactured and put down. And, you know, we got the trim back up. Just take a good look at that. I'll show you everything up close as best as I possibly can. It looks really nice. There it is. All right, this is the shack that Dennis built. That's how you put up trim in the house that Dennis built. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe.